Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time of day it is for you while you're watching this. My name's Trevor. Welcome back to the Arctic Vet YouTube channel. Behind me we have Adi, Cohen, and then Riley to my right. And yes, we are on our way to Papa's. But we thought that we would come on here. Oh, don't screech, Cohen, don't screech. We don't want to screech. And we would make a little, like, Christmas video, so to say. More like a Christmas wish list of the boys. And my thinking here is that they're gonna tell you guys what they want, and then maybe next year we'll roll around and like they'll do it again, and maybe we'll make this like a tradition, and so then years to come we can come back to these videos and be like, man, do you remember when you wanted like purple underwear and Power Ranger socks? You know, just silly stuff like that. So I think it'd be kind of fun and cool, especially for the future. So we're gonna go ahead and begin it now, this year, 2020. And I encourage you to maybe start something like this start something similar to this with your family. Anyhow, let's roll that intro. Somebody give me a burnout little symbol sign, you know, like go like this, like this. Give me a little burnout. Yeah, roll that intro. They seem to have done it.
We have 3 people.
Yep.
3 people.
3 people on.
Cowboy dance.
Alright, so first off, let's hear from Adi what Adi would like to have for Christmas. Give us like your top 5.
I don't have no top 5, but I only have top 2.
Top 2. Okay, give us your top 2.
Xbox and a TV.
Ooh, an Xbox and a TV. Man, that's pretty good. You'll look back on that one and probably be like, dang. You know what? Now I don't want that Xbox. You'd be like, man, now I want a controller. Alright, that's a good choice though. Good choice. What did you ask Santa for?
I want that.
Have you been whispering to our Jingle Bell elf to tell him what to tell Santa? And what did you tell him?
Yeah, Xbox, TV, a controller, a monster truck.
A monster truck?
A RC.
Oh, okay. Whew, I was like, dang, you can't even drive yet, boy.
And clothes and shoes.
Clothes and shoes? Alright, good choices. Alright, Mr. Cohen, let's jump over to you.
I want the TV.
A TV? Xbox? A lot of stuff?
Yeah.
A lot of stuff. A lot.
Yeah.
Awesome. And what have you been whispering to Jingle Bells to tell Santa?
Big. I want so big. I want to have a
lot of shoes?
Yeah. They're probably only young.
That's pretty funny.
And 1 pair.
Because, you know, I think you have the most shoes in the house.
Boots.
Boots?
Big boots.
Oh, big boots. Alright. Now let's see. Riley, are you ready? Do you want to tell them what you want for Christmas?
Xbox.
And an Xbox. Alright, Cohen.
Yee.
Yee. All right, let's let Riley tell us. Hold on, Cohen. Let's let Riley tell us what he wants for Christmas, okay?
Oh, everything in the world.
What?
Oh, everything in the world.
Everything in the world. And what have you been telling Jingle Bells to tell Santa about?
Or get me
Everything in the world? Are you trying to conquer the world?
I said, give me everything in the world, boy.
Bring you the world?
No, give me everything in the world, boy.
Everything in the world, boy. All right. That's a pretty high order.
Yeah. That means you have to own everything and you guys pay all the bills.
Ooh, yeah.
Ooh,
But he'd probably be making enough money to pay all them bills.
No,
And afford all that
She doesn't have
stuff.
no money.
Not
Hey,
yet.
what if I take your money?
But if he had everything in the world,
You want to
He
take
would.
my money?
shoot, maybe we wouldn't even have money. We would have Riley bucks or something. All right. Well, is there anything else anybody wants to add to the list?
Me?
Okay, Riley, go first.
I want a Ferrari.
Ooh, yeah, Ferrari. All right, Cohen, one more thing.
About rainbow, I take down a rain Xbox and we. You already said it.
I said one thing. Did you say limo with a wing?
No, man.
Oh,
I want Ferrari with V on it and with
a Ferrari. A Ferrari with a wing?
With a wash and rim wash.
Oh, okay.
And rainbow.
All right, Adi wants a Porsche.
With
Double boost? Oh my gosh.
One more thing.
Nope, we're all okay. One more, real quick.
If you speak common English.
All right. Anyhow,
I'm a pro at Minecraft.
what about me? Should I put my list on there?
Yeah, he has a yee.
All right.
I know. Yee bag. He should get married.
Ew.
You get a lady. How about he gets
Ew.
married? No, he gets married and he gets married and he gets married.
That ain't about getting married no more, guys.
Yeah, because you got
Sorry.
broke up, booty.
Yeah, I did.
You're a booty.
Real bad. Real
Now
bad.
you're a booty boy.
So bad that I don't even want to get married again.
Now you're a bacon woody boy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whatever that is.
Not
Yeah.
like me because I'm not gonna get no crush.
Anyways.
I'm gonna get a truck.
Yeah. That's my boy.
I need a big
Worry about them
one.
cars over
Hey,
girls, you hear?
Hey, Dad. Can we make a video at Papa's?
Maybe.
We gotta show the Papa's.
Alright, anyhow, my list real quick. My list, hold on. Hang on, let me tell my list real quick. My list is pretty easy, alright? I just want like 5 sets of spacers for the Corvette. And I'm talking wheel spacers. And then
I know what he's
I just
doing.
want some
Big wheels.
big old mud tires. They can fit on those spacers and on Dora. Because I would like to put those on Dora and lift her. That's all. Nothing big. You know, maybe some debts paid off, whatnot, but we want the fun stuff.
What?
Anyhow,
Sometimes I put my neck.
we're gonna end off this video on that note, and we will catch you guys in the next upload. So if you enjoyed this video, what do they need to do if they enjoyed this video?
Subscribe and like that button.
Smash that thumbs up button. Click that red subscribe button.
Hey guys,
Don't forget to click the red bell next to it. Drop your comments down below. Let us know what's on your Christmas list. Okay, hurry and tell them right before we end this.
There we go. Hey guys.
Tell them. AV? You want a tiny, tiny AV? Alright, super dark.
You want to buy Dora? Yeah.
Super dark with a shade
He
on.
wants to take, hey YouTubers!
So, alright, Cullen, to end it off,
He wants to take our Dora.
he wants a tiny, tiny Dora
Yeah, but he wants to take
and
ours.
a tiny, tiny AV.
And a tiny Ferrari.
Wow, that sunset's beautiful. Tiny, tiny Corvette.
And with a big boost.
With a big boost. Alright. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Uh-oh. We'll catch you in the next one.
Look at that.